là là!
Bonjour messieurs, dames, good morning, I hope you are doing well, I hope the week was good. Today I would like to answer to a question, I thought it was interesting, how to pair wine with a pizza. Of course, you have many different pizza, but let's take the most classic, the margarita. You will have the crust, the tomato sauce, the cheese, mozzarella, and the herbs, for instance, basil. So you will have three colors, white, red, and green, just to remind you the Italian flag. In this pizza, we will dissociate three ingredients. The tomato sauce, which will bring the acidity, the cheese, which will bring the fattiness, and the herbs, which will bring the aromas. So to match the tomato sauce first, the acid, you're gonna need a wine with acidity. Because if your wine is not acid, it's going to taste powerless, a little bit weak. So what I like to do when I pair food with wine is talking about intensity. So for example, if you have a scale, you will have the appetizer with seafood, then you will have chicken, then red meat, then black meat, then dessert. It is the same for wine. You go with intensity. The pizza, for example, will be pretty low, at least not higher than the red meat. And very often it's considered in terms of intensity at the same place as appetizer. So of course you are going to pick a wine which is pretty light, with acidity, with freshness, with nice fruit, with soft tannins. Where can you find this kind of wine? For example, a Gamay from Beaujolais, a Pinot Noir from Burgundy, Cap Franc from Sancerre, that would be super nice as well. If you could also have a rosé, for example, a nice Provence rosé, Château Lacoste, for example, from Provence. You will find the fruit, you will find the acidity and the freshness, and enough acidity once again to match with the tomato sauce. If you prefer white, what are you going to do? You are going to find some white with body and fat, and still some acidity. For example, a Roussanne or a Marsanne from the south of France, or for example, a nice Viognier, Les Agaces, with some body, a little bit of weight, but still a sharp acidity. You could also have a nice Chardonnay from Burgundy or not, which have a little bit of buttery flavor, but still with a sharp acidity. Some people are going to tell me, yes, of course, but some pizza, we can put them in a higher intensity on your scale. That's correct. So that's why you could also move to reds, which are a little bit more heavy and powerful. For example, in the south of France, with Grenache and Syrah, Côté Nature, you will, with the Syrah, arrive in a new dimension with spices. I know guys are going to eat a lot of pizza, it's summer, don't lie to me, I hope it was helpful, I hope you are going to pair the best wine with your pizza this summer. I send you some love, have a good weekend, bye bye.